Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to create a pie chart in Google Slides step by step. First of all, open Google Slide. Create a blank presentation or open your presentation. Example, create a new blank presentation. Then go to Insert tab, Chart, choose your chart. Example, use pie chart. Then link chart. Again click the chart three dot icon, open source, then automatically open Google Spreadsheet. Type your data, then I already copied to this data, press Ctrl V or again added data, edit chart, setup, choose any chart, customize chart style and data range. Again added data range. Click OK. Customize pie chart slice, change the color, percentage, add title, style, pie chart, slice level, value, percentage, etc. Value and percentage, font size. Okay, then again go to Google Slide presentation, then update. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.